Oh, it is recording. Hey guys. So notice anything different? Notice anything new? Hold on, let me just show you. The quality on this. Hey guys, it's Chinarro. Welcome back. I don't have to record on my crusty dusty iPhone 11. I'm so grateful. I just to test the waters and to test out this camera that I just got. Thank you to my aunt. I decided to do a updated kind of makeup tutorial, but not really. Regardless, I have to post, so I have to do something with my life. Drink of the day. Anyway, I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. As you guys may know, it is sorta Christmas time. And I am not feeling my Christmas spirit. Mostly because I knew that I wasn't going to get any Christmas presents because some of you may know I met the triplets and my aunt was like, listen, you're either gonna meet these three little boys or you're gonna get Christmas presents. And I was like, is that even a question? If it was between $10 million and meeting the triplets, I would meet the triplets. Trip to the Bahamas for a week and meeting the triplets. Baby, I'm meeting the triplets regardless. You can't hold me back from it. I think some of you guys don't understand how much I like them. It's probably an unhealthy addiction. And I'm probably gonna be put on my strange addiction. And then this is um oh, sorry guys. This is the primer that I'm using. And it's not e.l.f. Power Grip, but it's supposed to make your makeup look matte. I don't even think I told you guys how I got this camera in the first place. Like I said, I met the triplets. My aunt also was aware that I wanted a camera at the time. I was like, yeah, I want to meet the triplets, but if you could at least get me one like present, then I'll be fine. But if you get me nothing, that's okay as well. So the one present that I wanted, if she could get it, was this camera. I looked all over the place for it. I was like, I need like a camera to vlog because I knew I wanted to do YouTube. But then I was also okay with not getting a camera because I was like, I don't even know if I want to do this for the rest of my life. Cameras are good for other things other than vlogging. Today, before I went into therapy, my aunt was like, oh, also, I actually do have a Christmas present for you. And I was like, be so for real. Because she said that at least 4 times before she was actually serious, which was today is when she was serious. But I was just like, girl, be so for real. Because I didn't believe her because last time she said that, she didn't actually have any presents for me. There was a situation that happened that I probably can't talk about, but she just couldn't give me anything. So then I realized she was actually being serious and I was trying to tell her to give me hints on what it was. I went into therapy today and I guess somehow I told her about how I wanted a camera. Yeah, like I actually do have a Christmas present, but she won't tell me what it is. And she was like, well, do you think it's possibly a camera? And I was like, oh, there's no way. Like, that thing is too expensive. Like, there's no way. Fast forward, like, probably 3 minutes later, she was like, I didn't even go to school today. So she was like, if I give this to you, you have to go to school tomorrow. And I was like, I wanted to go regardless because it's our last day before break. And we have a convocation tomorrow. And I love convocations because we don't have to be in class. So she made me sit in the kitchen and turn around with my eyes closed. And she brought out a Minnie Mouse bag. Do I look 3 to you? Basically what I said to her. I was like, are you serious? I was like, I'm not a kid. And she was like, just open it. And I was like, okay. So then I opened it. I saw the box with the camera in it. And I was like, I was so amazed. Like, okay, Miss Casey Undercover. I think we're good on foundation. Oh, I lied. When I like first started doing my makeup in like 6th grade, I don't know what was wrong with me. The foundation that I would use, it made my nose like crust up, and I hated it. I feel like over time though, like you get better at makeup, whether that be like you don't put on a lot or you put on a whole bunch. Yeah, but like no Chinarro. I really need like somebody to like humble me. You ever be so thirsty that like you take a drink of something and it literally like brings you back to life? Sometimes I'm scared to spray my setting spray. So I wanna, okay, can somebody tell me like, okay, hold on. I wanna find every time I go to Walmart, because that's where I buy my makeup from, I always try to find translucent powder. Like the loose powder. I don't know why I said translucent because this is really translucent too. But like I want to find like the loose powder and like a powder puff, but I can never find it. So I have to use this. Like what is this? If y'all know who the Chinarro triplets are, y'all would know that Chris likes to burp and blow it in people's faces. And I know that it's really rude and disgusting. But I do it to my friend Kamaya a lot. And I think it's the funniest thing ever. I totally get where he's coming from. Like, if I did it to my friend Bianca, she would be out of me, respectfully. I keep thinking it stopped recording. I really hope I was recording that, but this is the blush I use. Like I said last time, if you don't put blush on your nose, I think you're sick to your stomach. So I use edge control for my eyebrows. Sorry guys. And then, oh, that's the last part. And I use this. Although they kind of look even like that. When I like brush them up, they don't look as even. I use 4 mascaras. So this is one of them. This one doesn't have a label. Well, it just says mascara. And I got this free from TikTok shop, by the way. So you guys know, FanFest. It's really cute and it's like really tiny. I mostly use these two. I always feel so happy when I can actually do my makeup because lately I haven't been able to do it for school because I just got put on medicine. So like I've been so tired in the morning, which is weird because it's supposed to help me sleep, but instead it literally makes me tired in the morning. My body's like trying to get used to it or something. This is my favorite part, is the highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter ever. I love when you get makeup, like a certain type of makeup for the first time or like a certain brand of makeup for the first time, and it ends up doing you justice in the future. Okay, I think we're done. Let me wipe off my lips because looking a bit crusty. I like to like re-dot my beauty mark because I have a beauty mark like right here. Yes. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're done. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. This was fun. I think this is a new era, guys. Content from now on is going to be amazing. I just didn't feel ready. I didn't feel prepared. I didn't feel like I had everything I needed. But I think this camera is truly going to like make memories. And my birthday's coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications to get notified when I post a new video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in like a couple days. Make sure you follow my socials at CLC2Real on Instagram and on TikTok, and I will see you guys later.